Morning, this is Rich from the Motorcycle Garage, out in the -2. So this carburetor, front carburetor, just got to go into there. So a bit of fun this morning, and fingers crossed otherwise it will be getting at the rear carburetor as well. The fuel goes through the rear carburetor from the tank, from the pump's there, and it gets sent through. Don't know why they did it like that, but that's Suzuki, and it goes through this carburetor, comes out top here, and then up here into the front carburetor. So that's basically how the fuel system works. So yeah, I've been all through this and changed a few parts and whatever, all the consumables really, rubber washers and seals and things. Yeah, a little diaphragm pump I replaced as well in the accelerator pump. Where's that accelerator pump there? Yeah, we'll see. No, it's not a necessary solution yet, but it's a difficult one. You've got to work your way through, so we'll see. I'll speak to you later.